I'm Weis Dietitian Taylor, bringing you today's kitchen tip, which is how to cut a mango. So if you're slicing up a mango for snacking, or if you're dicing up a mango for a recipe such as mango salsa, my personal favorite, then I have the tip for you. So when you're at the grocery store and you're picking your mango, you want to choose one that has some give when you apply gentle pressure. That's how you're going to know that it's right. A mango has a flat, long seed in the center, so you want to cut on either side of the stem. So all I'm going to do is simply cut down, and then to add slices to the half here, I'm simply just going to drag my knife into my desired size slices without piercing the skin. Now, if you'd rather have a dice cut, you can turn it and then do the same thing again with your knife, again without piercing the skin. And then you just simply take a spoon and scoop out your desired cut. And then you have diced mango ready to go for your recipe. So I hope that today's kitchen tip gave you some inspiration for your kitchen. Please check out the recipes in the description here if you're looking for uses for mango. Stay tuned for more kitchen tips, and thanks for watching.